Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get cards out of top loaders. First, let's prepare. Before you begin, gather a few simple items: a clean microfiber cloth and a soft, flat surface, perhaps a desk pad. It's crucial to ensure your hands are completely clean and dry to avoid transferring any oils or dirt onto your valuable card. Also, make sure you are working in a well-lit environment so you can clearly see every step of the process and prevent accidental damage. Now, let's move on to the gentle squeeze method. Hold the top loader securely with one hand, gripping it by the top and bottom edges, not the sides where the card is. With your other hand, gently apply a light, even pressure to the wider sides of the top loader. You're aiming for a subtle flex, just enough to create a tiny gap between the card and the top loader's interior, which helps to release any static or friction. Once you've created that slight opening, it's time for the tapping and sliding technique. While maintaining the gentle squeeze, carefully turn the top loader so the open end faces downwards. Gently tap the bottom edge of the top loader onto your soft, padded surface. Use light, controlled taps. You'll notice the card slowly beginning to slide out. Be patient. This process should be gradual to ensure the card's safety. For the final step, as the card emerges from the top loader, be ready to catch it with your clean microfiber cloth. This prevents any direct contact with your fingers, protecting the card's surface from oils or smudges. Once the card is fully out, take a moment to carefully inspect it for any dust, fibers, or other debris that might have accumulated. Then, you can safely place your card into its new protective sleeve or display case, ensuring its long-term preservation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.